In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll have your Google Form content neatly moved into Microsoft Forms using a simple PDF export and the quick import feature. Start by heading to the Google Forms homepage and opening the form you want to migrate. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can see the toolbar at the top. In the top right corner of the form, click the three vertical dots to open the More menu, then choose Print. This opens a print preview of your form. In the print dialog, set the destination to save as PDF. This is key because Microsoft Forms can read the structure from a clean PDF. Before you save, uncheck headers and footers so the file doesn't include extra page details that can confuse the import. Give the PDF a clear name you'll recognize later and save it to your computer. A quick tip, glance through the preview to make sure long questions or options aren't split awkwardly across pages. If they are, adjusting the scale slightly can make the output cleaner. Next, go to the Microsoft Forms website and sign in with your account. On the home page, look for Quick Import. This tool analyzes your PDF and converts the content into a Microsoft form automatically. Click Quick Import, then choose Upload from this device. Select the PDF you just saved from Google Forms and upload it. After the file processes, you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to import it as a form or a quiz. Pick Form for general surveys and data collection, or Quiz if you plan to assign points and mark correct answers. This choice sets the right structure from the start. When the draft is ready, click Start Review. This is your chance to check for any errors and make edits as needed. Carefully review each question type, multiple choice, text, ratings, and dates, and confirm that options, required settings, and any descriptions came through correctly. If your original Google form had complex layouts, images, or special formatting, the importer may simplify them, so refine wording where necessary. For quizzes, verify correct answers and point values. It's also a good idea to confirm section titles and overall flow match your original intent. When you're satisfied, your converted form is ready to use in Microsoft Forms. You've successfully moved your content without rebuilding everything from scratch, saving time while keeping consistency across platforms.